Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. In this video, we're going to be going over the top 7 winning products to sell right now and through the month of September and October and a little bit crossing into the winter so you can get the best possible result for your Shopify store. If you're a beginner or if you are intermediate and you're looking at these products, I always highly recommend to do your own research. Don't just sell them because I tell you to sell them. Do the right research, see if they're a good fit for your store, and then you can go and get results with these products. Let's go. And just a quick note, we finished up the August 5-day live Shopify training. Students got great results from it, got a lot of lessons. It's all for free. We're going to do another one in September 14th. So if you're interested in learning absolutely everything that you need to know about your Shopify business to grow it and scale it the best way possible for free, make sure to go to the first link down in the description or go to 5daystraining.com and sign up for our next free 5-day training starting on September 14th. All right, the first product up is this portable car vacuum cleaner. You've probably seen it. It's on a couple of spy tools, and I also want to talk about the brand that is selling this, or the actual supplier, Chinese manufacturer that is selling this product. And you can see I'm going to play the little video here. Vacuum cleaners are typically very big. You need to go to, let's say, you need to buy one that is very expensive. They're also really bulky and really hard to use. They can break very easily. So this one is a really good alternative. It's very small, very portable. You can put it pretty much anywhere. And now that people are going outside much more, they're using their car much more, a lot of companies are opening up back, then this is definitely going to be a product that's going to sell a lot over the next month or two. It has 1,500 orders already. So you can definitely do for this particular product a problem solution ad copy on Facebook. It can be, for example, vacuum cleaners are big and bulky and hard to use. We're introducing the small portable vacuum cleaner. The price is a little bit higher than the average product that I give out here. So if your budget is very small, I would recommend starting out with another product. If your budget is around intermediate or you have quite a lot of money to spend on your business or invest in your business, definitely a great product to consider. Doing really, really well, cleans everywhere. You have really good graphics here as well. And the average sales volume, it's selling about 7 to 10 per day, 50 per week. Has the potential to make around $3,000, $4,000 a week, $10,000 a month. So definitely a product that has a lot of potential, a lot of scalability to it. It hasn't been highly scaled and great for beginners and people that are just looking for a product to sell. The second product from the same company, the same actual manufacturer that makes the portable vacuum cleaner, also they make this car wiper blade. And what's cool about them, I'm actually going to show you their page in just a second. They always add videos and really good presentation to the products that they're selling. I'm going to show you this video. You can put this thing on the wiper, on the car. And again, it's also a car product. People are going outside much more, driving their cars much more. Car sales are going up again in a lot of countries. You can wipe it clean. It's really portable, very small. It helps you clean the actual windshield extremely easily, extremely quickly. It's really hard to clean the windshield. Sometimes it's hard to get the actual small spots, and this product solves that problem of cleaning the windshield properly. It's also very small, very easy to use, quite cheap, $9 here. You can get it for about 10, 12, maybe 15 with shipping. Sell it for about $30, $40. A lot of really car enthusiasts, people that really love their car, they would buy a product like this. Even though it doesn't have that many orders, 772 orders right now, it's selling about 28 per week, so it's slow. I think this has the potential to really grow to the next level. I wanted to give it to you because I know it has potential to really scale up. There's not a thing like it's saturated right now, or it's not a product that can fit everybody right now. This can really scale up very, very quickly. You can see the picture here. Grinding evenly. Extend the lifetime of a wiper by 3 times. So also in your marketing, you can go and say, hey, you're buying wipers all the time for your windshield, for your car. This can actually extend the lifetime of it, clean your windshield better, and solve that massive problem of these wipers. Sturdy and durable, and anybody can use it. And also you have the instructions here on how to use it. Now, before we go on to the third product, I want to show you this particular supplier. Even though I don't recommend using AliExpress suppliers, I would not recommend you ship from AliExpress directly or deal with any suppliers on AliExpress, just because of the thing that's going on around the world. It's better to deal with private companies like SourceInbox, HyperSkew, but I still wanted to show you this particular supplier called Vaseos. Those two products that we talked about, they're part of Vaseos, or they're products of Vaseos, and you can find a lot of inspiration and a lot of really good products that are selling quite consistently. So if you go down to the bottom, new arrivals, car vacuum cleaner, car windshield sunshade, car wiper blade, car air compressor. They have a lot of car accessories, car polishing machine. This could also be a great product. So when you find a good supplier like this that also has really good presentation, really good images, really good videos, then you can go and either contact them directly to set up some sort of agent agreement where they actually ship the products much faster than they would a regular AliExpress buyer, or you can go and take these products and then go to a trusted company like Sourcing Box and actually source from them directly. So it's just one, for inspiration, two, for potentially working with them directly. Rechargeable car light, Bluetooth transmitter, Bluetooth receiver, a lot of products for cars. So it's basically the new supplier that is dominating the car scene on AliExpress. Highly recommend you check them out. I'm going to leave the link down in the description if you want to actually research the products, check out the products that they have. For the next product up is not a specific product, but a collection of products, and this particular brand is doing it extremely well. It's called Wonder Dream, and this particular ad has 9,000 likes here, and the amount of money that this brand makes just off diffusers, aromatherapy diffusers, it's unbelievable how much money they make. So if you can check the ad here, we're going to leave it unmuted, and I'm going to just play the ad here. And it's this diffuser, and it say, hey, what's up? I just received my diffuser. I bought it for my girlfriend. It's awesome. It works great. It's a testimonial style video, which works really well. I don't see that many people using them. Highly recommend it to my private students to use testimonial based, or even somebody talking about the product with a selfie video. It's extremely powerful for your ads. If we look at the link right here, and then we go to sales source and try to analyze how much money this store is making. They're selling it for $30 here. And if we go to analyze store here on the right hand side, we can see exactly how much money this particular store is making. Let's check that out. Estimated revenue, $100,000 to $200,000 per month on the Shopify store, selling mainly aromatherapy diffusers. A lot of people, they try to sell these aromatherapy diffusers, and they always sell the ones that are super saturated. There's always new designs popping up. For example, this one, I really haven't seen it running that much, and it's kind of a new version of it. Pretty interesting version, also has some colors, and you can find these very easily through AliExpress or through any Sourcing Box supplier or any private company like Sourcing Box, HyperSQ, eProlo, and so on. So definitely a good product to sell if you're interested in this. If you know anything about aromatherapy, yoga, Buddhism, even some of these interests, I wouldn't just go and sell it if you know nothing about this. If you can target the right people, show them the right ad, and also create ads like this that are testimonial-based ads, they can work extremely well for this particular product. Just a very quick note, want to quickly congratulate Milek from Florida for winning our 0 to 60,000 per month case study that I did with my student Ryan. We show you the products, the ads, and the whole strategy that it took to get him to that point. If you want to win that case study, all you got to do is comment down below your city or your country where you are from, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. The next product up, it's a baby white noise machine that you can see here. It has multiple natural sounds. For example, you can do white noise, you can do bird singing, you can do cricket sounds, lullaby at night, and so on. And the product is not that expensive. If you get it from AliExpress, I would not recommend getting it from AliExpress. Get it from a private supplier or a dropshipping agent. But if you were to get this product, it's not as expensive as the regular sleep machines or white noise machines that are out there. If you have a baby store or a kid store or anything selling to parents or new parents, now that the COVID whole situation around the world is happening, a lot of analysts are predicting that a lot of babies are going to be born over the next couple of months, and that a lot of women are pregnant right now. Very interesting scenario that's going on around the world. But this particular product can fit all of those people. For example, there's a store that does extremely well called 9 Months Sober. And we check them out, 9 Months Sober. This particular store, they sell a lot of products for kids, for babies, and also products for women that are pregnant. So products that they can buy before they actually have the baby. They do extremely well. You can see their store here, sell a lot of baby products. And if we click Analyze Store on the right-hand side, we can see how much money this particular store is making. It is 500 to a million a month. It's about 700 last time that I checked, 700,000 per month that this store is making. So pretty much almost an 8-figure per year brand, doing extremely well. The baby niche, extremely profitable, and products like this. It also doesn't have to be just for babies. It can be, for example, for people that are working at home, or if you're wanting to relax at home. Here, for example, it can also work as a sleep aid. So if you're having problems sleeping, this could also feed the sleeping niche. Could do really well. And it's just a product, very small. It can also work for people that are working at home. Obviously, a ton of more people are working at home right now. This can fit them, help them relax, help them work. I sometimes listen to binaural beats. Those are basically music that you can listen while you work and you can focus much better. You can do that with this machine as well. A lot of uses, a lot of problem solves, and a lot of solutions that this product can give you. The next one up, a defense product or survival product. This particular niche has been growing exponentially over the past couple of months, and a lot of people are extremely interested in defending themselves and their home against an invader, an attacker, the government even, so pretty much anything. So this particular product is a baseball bat flashlight. It's also waterproof. You can protect yourself by using it. So we're just gonna play the little video here. The bat can basically break anything. It can defend against somebody that's attacking your home. It's also a flashlight. So if you're going outside at night, but it's not really for hunting anything or shooting anything. It's more for actually protecting yourself for night patrol. For example, this can work really well as well. And you can see here, somebody is using it to basically defend or secure against their home. A lot of people are extremely scared of somebody actually breaking into their home. Survivalist products, protection products, people that are interested in maybe even buying weapons for their home. This could be a great product to sell for them if you're in this niche. If you're not, if you don't know anything about this niche, if you're just a very pacifist person that is selling products that have nothing to do with this, don't just go and sell it because this is a winning product. It has to fit your particular niche, your type of expertise, and your interests. And a lot of people that are interested in this, that know people that are interested in this. So definitely a good product to consider. It can also just be a full-on defense product. This particular product, ear wax removal, if you are in the health niche, in the beauty niche, this could work really well, specifically on Google. The search volume for this product is great. If we play the video, it basically works by removing earwax out of your ears. Yeah, obviously that's the treatment. It's an old treatment that a lot of people use. I'm not really sure if it's Chinese or Indian, but a lot of people go to a spa or go to a particular place to get their earwax removed. They believe that it keeps them cleaner, and it also improves your hearing. It also improves your health at a whole level of your whole body. And this particular product, you can use it to do that treatment at home. So if you're interested in earwax removal treatment, this particular product can fit that niche extremely well. If we go to Google and we type in earwax removal, we can see that the search volume for this particular keyword or for this particular search is 246,000 per month, which is extremely high. But you can also do extreme earwax removal candle, and the search volume for this is 4,500 per month. So a lot of people are interested in an earwax removal candle, which is exactly what we are selling here. Definitely a product that has quite a lot of sales, honestly, for this type of product. Just to see 2,000 sales here on AliExpress, selling around 73 per week. So this product has the potential to make, let's say, $1,000 a week, $2,000 a week, and it's in a very specific niche. Doesn't have that much competition. Not everybody wants to sell this particular product. So definitely a good one to consider if you want to sell any health, any whole wellness products for your niche. And the last product up for a very specific niche, specifically a niche that spends a lot of money on their products and also a very profitable niche, is the golfing niche, this golf swing trainer gadget. And you can see it in action here. I didn't really understand what it was. My product researcher actually found it, and you can see that he's learning how to do the golf swing. The thing is helping him train himself and be aligned and his posture be proper and correct to actually hit the golf ball as fast as possible or as long as possible. It's this little trainer right here. Very hard to find anywhere else outside of this actual supplier. It's very hard to find in retail stores, and it has a lot of orders, 4,900 orders. It's also a cheap product. You can get a nice profit margin of it. It's about 35 per day at this point. So what I think is, since it doesn't have that many reviews here, 76 reviews, what I think is that somebody is actually drop shipping it. So when you see a product that has 5,000 orders, 70 something reviews or 100 reviews, that basically means that most of the sales are coming from just one particular person, which probably is, and you can see the buyer's feedback here, the percentage, even though you can't see it properly, it says Korea, Netherlands, and US. If US is above around 10%, that probably means someone in the US is actually drop shipping that product, not people in the US are buying it off of AliExpress. So definitely a product that just from those indicators is showing that it can sell and can sell drop shipped. And it's also a very useful product for anybody in the golf niche or for somebody that is just interested in learning golf, which is a lot of people. A lot of beginners are interested in learning golf. Definitely a product that can fit them really really well. Okay, now that you know the top 7 products to sell right now in the next couple of weeks and months, if you want to know how to brand these products and actually create a legitimate brand that doesn't just look like a dropshipping store to get the best results possible, make sure to click the video right there, how to brand a Shopify store the right way. I show you how I brand my stores, how to do it properly, and what's the process to do that. Make sure to join us for our 5-day live Shopify training. Go to 5daystraining.com, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I will see you in the next video.